kids, welcome back to Roto Talk.
Kids, welcome back. Beautiful Saturday day. The wind is perfect. The lake looks perfect. We're going to maiden our tunnel. So, we're just going to put in... Remember this? We built this a while back. We're going to put in a 4S. And I realized at the last minute, I'm running the conservative prop on here. I can't remember the name, but or the number, I should say. But I ordered the fast prop from Joe, and it will be here Monday. I'll put a link to that in the description of this video for this boat. So we're running like a 21, I want to say it's like a 2100 or a 2050 kV, so it's a pretty conservative motor too for a 4S. Could be much faster, but and I might change it out. But we're going to try it with this prop. We're going to try it with the prop that I ordered on Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and slap a battery in here, and I'll meet you down at the water. Right, you can see there's some people getting ready for wedding pictures over there. Not my problem today. So here we go, 4S, pretty basic. 2 single people dying. So sad. Here we go. Let's see, I am not going full speed. Woo! Going into the wind. She moves. For a conservative prop setup. Just perfect on the center of gravity. Quiet. Running on rails too. It's I did put on Expo on the steering because it's real sensitive on the steering. I'm going real slow. I just don't feel like going out the robot. I don't want to flip. Man, this is a fun little boat. So much fun. This is so much better than the Nitro Tunnel. Oh! Oh! Alright, come on back. I think I have a loose connection on my, let's go over here. Maybe we knocked loose the connector with that flip. That was pretty rough. But she recovered. There we go. Probably gonna get that groom to be in trouble. I'm gonna look at my boat instead of his old lady. Ooh. That was sweet. Alright kids, that was a bad mess up. I will be back in a minute. Well, I have to say, that was fun. The reason I didn't come back and show you more video is because my battery strap was south of Cheese and I lost the battery in the bottom of the lake. So, and I didn't have another one charged. But anyway, I'm going to take it out for another run, maybe tonight. Absolutely love this boat. It was so, it just perfect. I mean, I got cocky. Imagine that. I think I need to bring this part of the cowl down because I think that's what hit and caught. Because I got water. I was going into the wind full speed, which was problem number one. Wind picked up my nose a little too high. Then it twisted, came down, and I think I actually caught the cowl because it ripped it right off. But it didn't hurt anything. It's totally fine. But yeah, lost the battery. It's kind of sad. But other than that, man, this is super fun. It really, and I never thought I'd say it over an electric. I don't get that excited about electrics. I've got electric hydroplanes, electric riggers, now one of these. I've had many electric boats, and honestly, they don't do it for me. But this was really fun. And when I started walking down the hill to start the video, the water was glass. There was no wind. And as soon as I got down there, the wind picked up again. Which these you don't want to run in. Pay like anything else. Yeah, we're good. Pay attention to the direction of the wind. Okay. This thing, my CG is perfect. Yeah, you saw it just riding on the tail end. Absolutely perfect. But the problem with that is there's a point of return, and I got a little bit of wind under there. Boom, done. So I'll put up some more run video of this because I love this boat. Seriously, out of all my electrics, which I don't have that many anymore. I got 5 or 6 electrics. I never run them. This is super fun. It turns so quick, and it's obviously not too delicate. That was a pretty nasty wipeout. Actually, there was a couple in there, and man, she just recovered great. So aside from my dumbass losing the battery in the lake, it was absolutely perfect. So couldn't be happier. And one other little announcement for those of you that are interested.
Well, we're waiting.
I ordered the gas version of this from Joe. He released it. I ordered it the day he released it. Yesterday? Or I think it was yesterday morning I bought it. And I ordered the new prop with this, which is actually why I went onto the site. And I saw it finally had been released. I'm like, dude, boom. And I ordered one. So that's coming. I'm also ordering the Lawless drive, which is this is going to be a gas outboard. So a big old Zeno on the back. Big boat. And it will be a first for me. So that's going to be really exciting. So that boat's actually going to be here Monday. I don't know when the lower unit's going to be here. Doesn't really matter. It's going to take a hot minute to build the boat anyway. But and I'm going to do in-depth overviews of the outboard unit itself, and obviously the boat build. The boat build's identical to this, as far as I know. It's no different except bigger. So and this turned out really, really nice. It was so easy to build, and I really enjoyed this boat. It's fun. So I think the gas one's going to be really excellent. The next video we're probably putting up is the maiden run of the Super Sport. So that's coming up hopefully this weekend. And until then, kids, get one of these. They're fun, super fun. It's just great maiden. And we just threw it in and ran. I mean, it was like perfect. So until next time, keep your eyesight up. Bye.